Arpit Beriwal joining us on the show. He's of course joining us from the Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Arpit, hi, good to be speaking with you. What do you make of the market construct today? Because yesterday we breached that mark of 23,100. We were cruising around very nicely, but in the last 30 minutes there was a pressure, and that continued today as well. Do you see a strong resistance around 23,100, or this is only a bit of sideways moves right now?
Yeah, so very good afternoon. If we see overall, the bigger trend of the market is positive, and we have seen decent rally in Nifty from almost 22,500 to 23,100. And generally, when we see after a big up move, generally market consolidates. So from an index perspective, till Nifty holds about 22,800 zones, the bias will be positive, buy and dip stance. However, as election is around, so definitely volatility has spike up, and we are going to see a swings between 22,750, 800 to 23,200 zones. So on position basis, till Nifty holds about 22,850 zones on spot basis, our stance would be a buy on dips. At the same time, upside, some pause would be seen near 23,100, 23,200 zones.
The market mood right now, but talk to me about Bank Nifty particularly. When should we anticipate that 50,000 mark there? And in terms of individual names, what's your view on an Arvind Limited and Max Financial right now?
Yeah. So first talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty was the underperformer till last month. However, in last 3 days, we have seen a stupendous rally of almost 1,500 points from 48,000 to 49,600. And after a sharp rally of almost 1,800 points, generally index consolidates. So within Bank Nifty, we are expecting that Bank Nifty is likely to be in a range between 48,800 to 49,600. Within that, Axis Bank and SBI would be a preferred pick, because in spite of market choppiness, it is holding at high levels. So within private banks, Axis Bank would be a preferred pick towards 1220, 1250 zones. On the downside, support would be 1150, whereas SBI within the PSU space has been the outperformer, and we have been quite bullish on this counter from past couple of months. So on the daily scale, it is trading at lifetime high. Overall range is shifting higher towards 805 levels. So slowly, gradually, we can expect move towards 850, 880 levels. So banking space, SBI and Axis would be a preferred pick.
SBI and Axis would be a preferred pick in the banking space. But other than that, what are you looking at? What are your top picks, Arpit?
Yeah, so if we see as index has been quite dull, but stock space action is quite good. So we have chosen one from the capital space and one from the auto space. So if we see L&D, capital space has been the outperformer. Within that, L&D has been a preferred pick. So technically, if you see, L&D is one of the strongest counter within capital space. We have seen good recovery from lower levels on monthly scale. On weekly scale, it is forming higher highs, higher lows. On daily scale, it is consolidating, but from here on, we can expect good 4 to 5% upside move in coming session. So L&T would be a preferred pick at current levels, with keeping stop loss of 35.50 for an upside move towards 37.80, 3800 zones. And second pick would be from auto space, escorts. So if we see overall escort, technically the structure is quite strong. It has given a massive breakout above 3,600 levels on monthly scale. On weekly scale, it is consolidating, but the good part is that it is holding at high levels between 3720 to 3800 zones. From some year on also, we can expect good 3 to 4% upside move for new lifetime high in escorts. So escort would be a preferred pick within auto pack. One can buy at current levels or minor dip towards 3840, 3850, with keeping stop loss of 3,800 for an upside move towards 3,950 and then 4,050.
Point taken. Thanks, Arpit, for making time and speaking with us today. So the top recommendations coming your way, and the market is fairly vibrant if you're looking at the broader market. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.